So today we will talk about mitosis. And mitosis is essentially cell division that results in two daughter cells, which are identical to the parent cell. So there are six steps in mitosis. The first one being interphase, the second one being prophase, the third one being metaphase, the fourth one being anaphase, the fifth one being telophase, and the sixth one being cytokinesis. And a good way to remember these steps is the mnemonic "I party more at the club." So to understand mitosis, I will be using the analogy of a PE class splitting up into teams. So the first phase is interphase, and in interphase you have two centromeres and you have an undensed chromosome. And the centromeres could represent the team captains, while the uncondensed chromosomes are just players that are unknown. The next phase is prophase, and in prophase, the chromosomes become condensed. And you can say that now the players are known, and these players are consisted of twins. In metaphase, the chromosomes are pretty much lined up, and you can say that this is similar to how players lined up to be selected to a team. In anaphase, each of these chromosomes are being pulled by the centromeres, and you can say that this is like pretty much like captains choosing their players. In telophase, you can see how there's groupings, and you can say how it's like players group into their teams. Lastly, you have cytokinesis, which creates two new cells. And you can say that now you have two new teams, and both of these cells are identical to each other. So to summarize, we started with one cell, and it created two new cells. And it's really important to understand that these cells are exactly similar to each other, are identical to each other, and the daughter cells are exactly identical to the parent cell. Another thing to understand is that you start out with two N chromosomes, and the daughter also ends up with two N chromosomes, and the two N represents being a diploid cell. And in another video, you will understand what diploids and haploids mean, and I highly encourage you guys to watch it.